Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to customize your volume panel on your Oukitel C15 Pro. First of all, in Play Store you need to download and install Volume Styles application. Then go into this application and then we can choose some volume panel what we want. For example, from iOS volume panel. Click Start, and now we must give permissions for this application. Turn on, then into Settings, choose Volume Styles application, turn on Use the service, click OK, and now we got our iOS volume button on our Oukitel C15 Pro. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.